Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if it is not the first time you are visiting over here. It is Sunday today. We are doing this is part 2 of the Entryway makeover. I will link up the previous episode. So I'm gonna link before you start again. I'm gonna link the previous episode up here for you, and then you can have a look. That was the bench that I made. Today I want to paint the door. I'm gonna be putting up a shelf and mirror. So yes, let's get into this one. If you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe to see more makeovers, more DIY videos, home decor, interior design, etc. And don't forget also to put on your notifications so you know whenever I do post a video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So let's jump right into it. First off, I started with sanding down the edge of the door. Whenever the wood swells, it catches onto the frame. I also tried to smooth out all the rough spots as best as I could. After that was done, I gave the frame a fresh coat of paint using the Durham New Glow paint. I've only seen this in white, so I added a little bit of a yellow tint just to warm it up. When it came to painting the door, I started off with a flat brush to paint in the crannies of the sunken in panels of the door. I then finished off with a roller brush. I had to do a few coats. That's why I recommend getting a ready-made paint. I mixed the color myself because I wanted to use paints that's just been sitting around. I also didn't mix the same type of paints. I definitely used acrylic paint, which I guess wasn't very pigmented, with another water-based paint. And like I said, for some reason it wasn't very pigmented, so I had to do, I think it was about 3 or 4 coats. I do believe if you get a ready-made paint in the color that you want, you probably wouldn't have to do that much. You probably for the most have to do 2 coats of paint. With all that being said, I still love how the paint color came out. I guess in the end, you just need to do whatever is best for you. Whatever method works for you is the right one. I left the paint to dry overnight, and then I went over it with this sealer. It's a Rust-Oleum top coat in matte. That is my favorite finish. So yes, just use the flat brush. I didn't use the roller brush at all when applying the top coat. Finished off with a flat brush, and I did 1 coat, and then I just did like an extra 2 coats on, where the door handle is, so basically the high traffic areas. I wanted to give this shelf just a little bit more, so I decided to paint the top part of the shelf only, so the surface, and I used this charcoal color, also Rust-Oleum, and then I just went over the top with my foam roller brush. And then I've been wanting to experiment with fabrics on home decor items like vases and lamp bases, shelves, etc. So I thought I would give it a go using this linen look material I bought to make curtains. I also originally added a thin layer of skimming plaster to the top of the shelf, but I didn't really like how that came out. This is just a piece of really thin MDF board I used that I actually just stuck together just to make it a little bit stronger. Next, I drilled holes in the bottom shelf where I would insert little dowels to hold up the top shelf. The holes I filled with some glue, and then I inserted the dowels. The top part I used just my glue gun with my Gorilla Glue sticks. I believe that would be enough to keep everything together.
So you can make it to those places, get to the level we all know that you can take it. And you might wonder if it's worth it. It's not a question cause you're special, you deserve it. And at the end of the day, you still got this time to live. This is only the beginning, let's enjoy it to the end. Though sometimes inside you feel empty, we can make it right if you with me. So tonight we'll light up this city, hoping to find the time that we're missing. I hope we find this time that we're missing. Yeah. So let's set the vibration and make the rhythm feel like mental vacation. Yeah, destination to come with a little patience. We slow it down.
In the next video, I will be decorating the space. I will also be adding some practicalities to make the space functional. I'm also going to be sharing with you how to change out some of the fittings and fixtures just to update your space. So don't forget to come back for that video, and I'll see you in the next one.
I hope we find this time that we're missing. I hope we find it. We're missing, yeah. I hope we find